Hello guys! It's 7 o'clock in the morning and it is good to start the day with prayers, thanking God for giving us another day. And now, it's time for me to show you how a kid can cook food for breakfast. This will be just a simple one. But still, a kid cooking breakfast should ask help from parents or somebody who is older than you. I will cook ginisang sardinas combined with fried rice. I have here my mama to help out.
Hi kids! Share the love!
And the ingredients: garlic, onion, and of course, Ligo sardines, my favorite. Here's a preheat pan with cooking oil. Put first the fresh garlic until it gets golden brown. Then the onion. And last is the sardines. Saute it for about 3 minutes. A trick before you go. Did you know that the onion should be crushed or chopped and leave it there for about 30 minutes before you use it in cooking? In that way, we could get the full nutritious potency of the garlic. This is the finished product of a food that a kid can cook for breakfast. Sauteed sardines or ginisang sardinas combined with fried rice. Mga tamo po! Come on, let's eat! Of course, we have already prayed before eating. Come on, let's eat now. For you, Amaze. For you. And also for me. Go, 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 go. Eat fast. Our online class will start at 8 o'clock. You might go late. What's the taste? Amigo. That tastes good. I hope you like my vlog about a kid cooking breakfast. And if you do, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Studious! Share the love! Share the love! Take 2. I will cook ginisang sardinas combined with fried rice. I have here my mama to help out.
Hi kids! Share the love!
And the ingredients. Cut, and the ingredients. Garlic.
Take 2.
Take 2.
Did you know that onion and garlic can be read in the Bible? We remember the fish, which we did eat in Egypt freely, the cucumbers, and the melons, and the leeks, and the onions, and the garlic. It's in Numbers 11:5.